factor completely. In number 1, we got x squared plus 3x. As you can see, x squared means x times x. So 1x and 1x, that factors out. That leaves 1x plus 3. And x plus 3 does not factor further. Let's do number 2. So we got 2 terms. 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 divides 4. So 2 is also common in both. X cubed and 1 is just 1. 2 out. X cubed, x is squared left. Plus 2 goes 4 2 times. X is out. And x squared plus 2 is just a prime. It does not factor. Now number 3, again 2 terms. We can factor x out. That leaves 2 copies. X squared minus 4. Now there is a minus sign, x squared minus 4. It might factor. Let's look at this. This is difference of 2 squares. Like when we have u squared and v squared, that's the difference of 2 squares. It factors according to following formula. U plus v times quantity u minus v. Okay. 4 is 2 squared. So x squared minus 2 squared. So we can apply this formula. So x plus 2, x minus 2. That's final. So let's go to number 4. X cubed plus 4x, sorry, 9x. Here we can factor x out. That leaves x squared plus 9. Okay. By the way, it's a sum of 2 squares, because 9 is 3 squared, but it does not factor. Sum of 2 squares does not factor. That's it. Number 5. Okay, we got a trinomial. Okay, we know that when we multiply two binomials, let's say x minus a and x minus b, or doesn't matter, plus minus, we call this multiplication as FOIL. Okay, all that means we multiply first, outer, inner, last. First, outer, inner, last. Okay, now this is kind of opposite way. When we multiply two binomials, then we get a trinomial, because the middle 2 terms combine. I mean, it will produce 4 terms, but when we combine the middle 2 terms, it will be a trinomial. So we have that situation. So it's the reverse foiling, opposite of foiling. So this trinomial might not factor, but if it factors, it will be a product of 2 binomials. So x squared, the only way it factors is x times x. Now plus 6. We need to find factors of plus 6. Okay, 2 factors. There can be several choices. When we combine those 2 factors, we need to get negative 5. Okay, 6 is negative 6 times negative 1, positive 6, but 6 and 1 makes 7. We need negative 5. Plus 6, we can do 2 times 3, 6. Maybe negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. And negative 2 and negative 3 make negative 5. So negative 2, it does not matter where you put, because both are x. So negative 2, negative 3. So if we FOIL, if we multiply these 2 binomials, we get this back. Okay, and finally same thing here. So if it factors, it will be a product of 2 binomials. Here is negative 6, like last time. We want to find factors of negative 6 whose combination, when we combine those 2 numbers, we have to get negative. Here is 1. Okay, there is nothing means negative, number means 1. So we can do 6 times 1. Oh, to produce negative, one number has to be plus and the other should be negative. So I don't know, 6 and 1 not gonna make negative 1, so not a good choice. Let's try again. 3 and 2, yeah, 6, but we need to get negative 6, and here is negative. How about negative and positive here? Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6, and when we combine these two terms we get negative 1. So this is good factoring. X squared is x, and we can put anywhere negative 3 plus 2, or plus 2 first and negative 3. Okay, final.